to check number is prime or not, int norm I m is equal to 0 and flag is equal to 0. Enter a number to check the prime number. So I suppose I pass here. Five. So it is showing you the number is 5. Again I run 8. The number is not. int n I m is equal to 0 and flag is equal to 0. Enter a number to check the prime number. Suppose I enter 5. मैं 5 enter कर लूँ.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, some noises are coming. I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Sir, some noises are coming. I can't hear you.
Now clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when there is a trouble, tell me. Huh?
Okay, sir.
So 5 by 2. Okay, we take the 5. 5 by 2. Quotient is 2. Okay. Then we initialize a value I is equals to 2. I the value at 2 nele. 2 is less than 2. No. 2
No,
is
sir.
equals to 2. Yes,
Yes,
2 is
sir.
equals to 2. Condition true. Now we check here. In n we store 5. n में 5 store करते. So 5 modulo 2 is equals to 0. If you divide 5 with 2, remainder is 0. No?
No, sir.
Remainder is not 0. Not equals to 0. Then fag becomes 0. Fag we find another variable. If fag is 0, then number is prime. So 5 is a prime. Now we take the another example, 8. Okay, we take here 8. 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. I is equals to 2. 2 less than 4. Yes, 2 less than 4. Then 8 modulo 2 is equals to 0. When you divide 8 with 2, remainder is 0. Yes or no?
Yes. Sir,
Tell me.
8 divided by
2. Remainder is 0 or not? Modulo means what? Showing the remainder?
no, sir.
Oh, no, sir. Modulo माने कौन? हमें जो modulo use करते हैं, हमें हमको show करियो remainder कोटा. तो हमें इतना 8 को 2 रे divisible कर ले, तो remainder टा 0 हो नहीं? Yes.
Yes, sir.
बुझी पहला ना बुझ पहला ना?
Yes, sir.
So 8 divisible by 2, remainder is 0. So it is showing you number is not a
Yes, not
prime. Okay, so 8 is not a prime number. Now we have to find out LCM or GCF. LCM or GCF of a number. LCM and GCD, sorry. Do you know what is LCM and GCD? Shubhasri?
I know LCM.
You are standard 8 na, you know.
No, sir. I'm standard 7.
Standard 7. Standard 7 means you know. It comes in the standard 3. 3 or 4. No.
Sir, what LCM?
LCM and GCD.
LCM I know. GCD I don't know.
If you know LCM, GCD is there.
GCD.
GCD is what? Greatest common divisor. Lowest multiplier. Can you find out the LCM of 10 and 20? Tell me. LCM of 10 and 20. Find out.
Okay.
Printf. So we write here GCD of 2 number is percentile D oh, GCD of 2 number is 10, LCM of 2 number is 20. Okay, so I define here slash n. Suppose I pass 2 positive number 10 and 20. So I define here Was Ray, I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
So I have take the two number. Suppose 10 and 20. So in N1, I have stored 10. In N2, it is 20. I is equals to 1. 1 is less than 10. Condition is true. 1 is less than 10. Condition is true.
Yes, sir.
And 1 is less than equals to N2.
1 is less than
Equals to N2. 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 It is less than. 1 is less than N1 and 1 is less than N2.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now N1 modulo 1 is equals to 0. Remainder is 0. I plus plus sign is follow for increment of 1. So I is 1. 1 is less than 10 s. 1 is less than 20 s. But 10 modulo 1 is equals to 0. Yes, and 10 modulo 20 modulo 1 is equals to 0. Yes. The GCD is what? GCD is now 1. Now I value is increment to 2. 2 is less than N1. Yes. 2 is less than N2. Yes. 2 is less than 10. Yes. 2 is less than 20. Yes. Then 10 modulo 2 is equals to 0. 10 modulo 2 is equals to 0. Yes. 20 modulo 2 is equals to 0. Yes. Then in GCD 2 is 2. Then it is increment to 3. 3 is less than 10. Yes. 3 is less than 20. Yes. 10 modulo 3 is equals to 0. No, condition false. Then again looping is the 4. 4 modulo 4 is less than N1 S. 4 is less than N2 S. Then 10 modulo 4 is equals to 0. And I'm 10 को divisible करिए 4 टा remainder 0 होगा क्या होगा नहीं. Again it is going 5. 5 is less than 10 S. 5 is less than 20 S. 10 modulo 5 is equals to 0 S. 20 modulo 5 is equals to 0 S. 10 by 5 0. 20 by 5 is 0. Then in GCD 5 is 4. Then it is increment to 6. 10 is modulo 6 equals to 0. No. 10 is equals to 20. No.
no.
Now it is keep. Then it is coming to the 7. 7 is not also divisible by 10. 7 টা 10 is divisible over. 8 be divisible over. 9 is divisible over. Then 10 as well. I value is what 10. 10 is less than N1 S.
Yes.
Not S. 10 is equals to N1. 10 is equals to N1. And 10 is less than N2. N2 is 20. Yes. 10 is less than N2. Then 10 modulo 10 is equals to 0. Yes. 20 modulo 10 is equals to S. Then GCD is now 10.
10.
I value is increment to 11. 11 is less than 10. No. Condition false. When condition false, then it comes to the outer loop. In the outer loop, it is showing you GCD is 10. GCD is 10.
10.
And LCM is N1 into N2. N1 value is 10. N2 value is
10.
20. 10 into 20 is 200. 200 divided by 10. 200 divided by 10. Your LCM is now 20 here.
20.
Now LCM is 20. Okay, so here it is showing you LCM 20, GCD is 10. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in the previous class, I have show you the how to get the digit and sum. Digit and sum is already over. অনলাইনে করছি বলে আগে স্যার যোগাযোগ করছি মানে সে করেন in do while loop first it is show the statement then condition will check first it will display the statement then like in while loop if your condition is false no statement is executed. In do while loop if your condition is false at least one time your statement is executed. It's just like what? Suppose I want to display from 1 to 10. I define as include stdio dot h void main ten to 20, but I define here 100. While a is less than 20, then printf the number is percentile d way then a is equals to a plus 1. So when I run this application, it doesn't show any value. Means in while loop, if your condition is false, there is no statement is executed. If your condition is false, there is no statement is executed in the while loop. But now we go for a do while loop. Do while loop means first it execute the statement and then condition will check. So write it. What is do while loop? In do while loop, first
Sir, your voice is breaking.
yes,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
as I am telling it right loudly. In do while loop, the first the condition is checked. Then the statement is executed. In do while loop, first the statement is executed. Sorry, the first the statement is executed, then the condition is checked. First the statement is executed, then condition is checked. The case of while loop, first the condition is checked, then statement is executed. While A is less at least one time the statement is executed. Okay. If your condition is false, at least one time your statement is executed. Okay, it is a do while loop. Okay. We cover up to do while loop. Okay. Two more. Okay. So you do the practical from beginning. Okay, then we start with the for loop in Monday.